Well guys, first find of the day. We got a pop out here. It's ready. So what we're gonna do, guys, I got some pepitaos on the bottom to cushion everything. We got the first one of the day. Maybe got picked, by some animal, but nothing at all. So we're gonna do this shaking right here, guys. Nothing. We're gonna go 3 by 3. Let's see. 3 by 3. We're gonna shake it slowly, not too hard. That means some papas can be ready or not. Guys, I finished my bucket, but I'm gonna try to give some to the people that I see there. If not, I'm gonna put some in the trail for the people to try. Sometimes they like, sometimes they don't. So let's see. And then, if not, I'm gonna go to the truck. So I got enough for my aunt. I got enough for Marcos. I got enough, I think, for Lisette too. Let's see. Let's go. Let's go. Well, guys, I give it away some of the fruit. I'm gonna keep going looking for more. I really like to share with my people. Actually, they are from El Salvador, and some people from Argentina, and other people, I think, they are from other places, but they really like it. So I give it mostly that I have. I'm going to try to keep going, getting more, because I know it's a lot here, guys. It's a lot of fruit here, so I keep going. Let's go. Okay, so we're going to do like this, guys. So, okay, we got all the pawpaws here. I want to collect all the good pawpaws, guys. We're going to leave the good ones, guys, here. And we're going to give the big ones. And the small ones, too. Whatever I can think is good for the offering. And we're going to do, guys, in the solid way, they get more prosperity for next year. Maybe more next year, so I see my friends coming to eat the nuts that I left before. So maybe the squirrels, raccoons, other animals. So let's make the offering to say thank you for everything they do. So I'm gonna give it 1/3 to what I harvest today. So that's our offering, guys, right there. Let me get more. So have to be 1/3 that I have. So I'm gonna get the pawpaws that I think they're beautiful and ripening. I'm gonna leave it here, guys. Some guys gonna say, "You crazy? What you doing?" So it's okay, guys. I always get a lot of blessings all the time. So sometimes I leave something behind. Like I said, thank you to somebody. It's a big blessing for everybody else. So we're gonna leave it here. All this pawpaw here for the blessings, to see if we can get more blessings next year. It's almost 1/3 that I have. Let me count. Okay, let me put my pawpaw here. Let me give it these ones too, because I'm gonna get more for sure. So, well, guys, these blessings are good, guys, enough to feed a lot of animals. So right there, guys, that's 1/3 of that I'm supposed to give. I have to supposed to give it 1/10, whatever I have. But right now I'm gonna give it the 1/3. It's gonna be 1/3 of the whatever I have. Well, almost that's 1/10 actually. If you see what I have here, so well. Let me put it back in my bucket what I have here, and let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. And let's see how much we got it there. And then calculate it. Yeah. See, that's what we're gonna do, guys. Let's go. That's the offering I have there. Let's go. Oh, guys, beautiful mushrooms. I don't know what species. They're really beautiful, guys. I don't know what species, guys. I think they're really dry, guys. Let me take a picture. See what species they are. I don't know. Not sure. Let me see. Let me see the species, guys. I don't know. Not sure what species are, guys. But I can tell you something. Every animal that I see here is eating it. Brown. I don't know what species. Like I said, we're gonna make a compare. Got this cup right here. Actually, they're not bad, guys. They use a little dry. tastes good. Not taste good, smell good. Smell very early. They don't taste bad at all. They're not milky, so I don't know what species, guys. Let's go. Ah, nice crappie.
That's mine.
Yep, we got a crappie, guys. Estos van para la casa. Sorry, guys. Si agarro más de 10, les paso uno, pero la mujer le prometió esto. Let's go. Alright, guys, we got another one. This is for the guys. I'm gonna divide today. One for me, one for them. So we're gonna do like that. Yep, so, okay, guys, for to be clear about this, they are under 16, so whatever fish I give it, it's not a problem, okay? Want to be clear on that. They are young men right here. Here, young man.
Thank you.
Yep. Grab it very well. Okay, enjoy. Alright, guys, smallmouth bass, but I'm gonna free this one. You know what I think about them. They are sport fish. Yep. So, okay. Beautiful. Let's go. Alright, guys. Second bass of the day. Let's go. Small one. Beautiful. Okay, guys, another one. You guys already left. Let me see. I think we got a nice, yep, a nice bluegill. We're gonna keep this one for my aunt. So let's go. Oh, there we go. Nice right there, guys. So we're keeping fish today. Few fish we're keeping today. So we got already one crappie, that one, and let's go. Let's see. Wow, guys, beautiful colors right here. Check it out. Wow, beautiful colors. Look, oh my goodness, so beautiful. We're gonna let it go. Guys, another keeper, another nice bluegill. Yep, we got already 3, guys. I'm gonna show you. Number 3, beautiful. And let's go. Let's put some water then. I don't want it to get too ugly. And I think I got a small. It's okay. I'm gonna get more. I don't want to get too ugly. And this is they're gonna be wet. No alive, but no ugly. So anyways, let's go. Another crappie, guys. A nice one. Slaps today. Beautiful. Let's keep going. We got 2. We keep going with the fishing stuff. Oh. Let's see how it goes, guys. So let's go. Another one, guys. Another bluegill. Nice size. I'm gonna let it go. Too small for me. Yeah, too small. Yeah, well, man, like it, so let's keep it. Let's see. Oh, that crap is mad. Well, sorry for him. Keep going fishing until I got my limit or get really late. Let me see, it's more minnow. Let's see. If it don't work, something else, guys. That's all I can say. If it don't work, just try something else, guys. That's all you have to do, guys. Try something else. Another one, guys. Feel good. Yep, crappie, guys. Crappie side, yep. Patience, guys, patience. This is how you have to have patience. Let it play when then. Yep. On it, try to pick it up. It's a nice size. Yep. Another slap, guys. You can see right there. I'm killing it today, guys. So I don't know how many big slaps I'm gonna get today. Maybe fill it up the dockets, I don't know. Let's go. That's all I can say. And I'm gonna try to keep this fish down with water, I think. I don't got the tap for that thing, so I'm gonna put my water here. Another one, guys. Another big crappie. I'm gonna try to bring it in slowly. Yep. Another one, guys. Big one. Oh, guys, I get the other one, the color that I like. That's the second one that I get, guys. Like the black line, but we harvest today, so we got big crappie today, so that's what it is. Sorry. Yeah. Well, let's see what more we can do. I don't got nothing in the trap, so going to try to lure the fish a different way. I only wait for the trap get full fish. I don't think I got nothing there yet, so it's what it is. Smallmouth bass, guys, of the day. We got 3 today, guys. Beautiful. It's getting very dark right now. Beautiful. Let's go. Let's try to get another one. That's a good bait right there. I changed for the other bait that I always like, the Gomino, and work, guys. Work very good. Oh, this is number 4, guys. We got a bluegill today. We got a crappie. We got a I think that one was a greenfish. We got a rock bass today, and we got a bass too. So I think it's like a 5 or 6 pieces already. So let's go. Maybe we catch a trout. That's gonna be a miracle. we catch a trout right here. Believe me, this river, they stack it all the way up to the top when trout. So maybe possibilities. PC numero, I don't know, guys. We got a crawfish right here. We caught it here right there in the minnow trap. I'm gonna try to get them, you know. Feel sorry about them, you know. So whatever. Let's close the minnow trap. Let's put it over there. Have to get at least a couple minutes more, guys, to finish this thing right here. So I'm gonna leave it there. But what's getting the minnows? That's all I'm gonna do. So let's go. Let's go. Oh, we got another one, big one, guys. Until waiting up for the minnows, I'm gonna get more bluegills. Let me get this for my hand. So, like I say, guys, so let's see. Put a little more water on there. I want today and get it ugly. So, I'm using worms, so you can imagine how it is. So it's easy. Yeah, but I got in some way. Yeah, I'm not gonna miss them. So it's okay. I'm catching at least 4 of these guys. A long time ago, I don't catch them. So beautiful. One more time, guys. I make it 2 times the pow pows, but I give it away, and I left an offering over there. And this is the fish that I catch today, guys. That's my bounty today. We're gonna clean the fish for family, friends, and some of the fruit are gonna divide it for family and friends. And let's go, let's go. Yeah, guys, we got one. It's coming. Yep. Let's see how big it is. Yeah, we got a striped bass, guys. First of the season, so let's see. I hope it's not gonna get off, guys. So all the way over there on the bottom. Let's see. Come on, baby. Come on. Come closer. First of the season, guys. But it's a schoolie. Yeah, we got a schoolie. But we can get them. Okay. Woo. Let's go. Yeah. Okay, we got a schoolie, guys. Beautiful. Let's go, let's go. Another striped bass. Good thing I don't got it what I was supposed to get it. I got it to the side. Fully. Oh my god. Start jumping. Try to save you. No, lo bueno es que no lo agarré tan feo. Okay, good. I got the scissors, the pliers. Try to get it right. Okay, got it. A ver la técnica. Okay guys, so another fish coming out. Ah, soltó desgraciado. Sí. Ah. Mucho antes, sí. A thin perch, guys. Finally, a perch. Yep, we got a perch, finally. Nice perch. We're gonna take it home. Okay guys, another perch. Nice size. Well, we're gonna continue until we got at least 6. Really nice size, let's see. Well, we got it all fish today.